Powerful storms offer clear evidence of how vulnerable parts of the Bay Area really are to flooding. But now, a new study is raising concern about a kind of double threat right underneath our feet. It's being driven by sea level rise that's literally pushing salt water inland and raising the water table. And it's potentially threatening to undermine the system of levees and seawalls that protect our shoreline.
They're definitely vulnerable. The groundwater is running under them. So even though you have a levee, you're still going to get flooded from below as the groundwater rises.
Chris May with the Pathways Climate Institutes and Ellen Plain with the San Francisco Estuary Institute analyzed groundwater data for low-lying areas in 4 counties: San Francisco, Marin, Alameda, and San Mateo. Their mapping suggests that key infrastructure will be increasingly vulnerable to being flooded from below, especially during big storms.
Most of our infrastructure is within 6 feet of the ground surface. And so we're talking about, buried sewer lines, both wastewater and stormwater sewers, in some places buried electrical lines, all sorts of different things that are under the ground.
In the case of water systems, they say water entering broken or degraded pipes could overwhelm capacity, increasing flood risk during storms. The report also raises concerns about former military or industrial sites in areas like Hunters Point, Richmond, and Alameda, where rising groundwater could push toxic materials to the surface.
Because as that groundwater rises, it can cause that contamination to move and spread in new ways, potentially in new directions.
With the pace of sea level rise expected to accelerate as glaciers melt, the report suggests an urgent need for resilient solutions, including expanded tidal marsh and horizontal levees in place of shoreline development.
That vegetation, it drinks the groundwater. And so really creating more green space between communities and the bay is just so needed.
Perhaps even more urgently than we suspected.